Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now Uvuyakasi posted this on her story rather, sorry, on her story, a picture of her daughter. So her daughter will be attending school, guys. Oh my gosh, like Umhlopekazi is so grown. She's a big girl now. She's going to attend school, and I know her the grandfather will probably take that picture and post it later because I know that he probably cares about the grandkids. Hence, on the last season of Izingane's Tembo, he questioned Umbumelelo on supporting the kids and paying intlawulo for the kids, and at the time, it was when Uvuyokasi was with that chef that betrayed her. So I just feel like this is amazing, and seeing how good of a mother she is, because I also follow her on YouTube. I watch her vlogs on YouTube, and I can see like the kind of a mother she is. She's present when it comes to her kids. She also said that at least once a month I try and go out and buy whatever her daughter wants or do whatever her daughter is suggesting, which I feel like it's so cool as a mother. And she's such a good mom, guys, and I hope that Umpumelelo will see this and probably would want to support his children and support Umhlopekazi and the younger one. I'm even asking myself if he has seen his younger son. I'm literally questioning that, but I hope that he has. But okay, congratulations to Mtlopegasi. We are wishing her nothing but well on her first year of school. She's a big girl, and I know that she will do well. So please, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.